Hello, and welcome back to Entertainment Stories English. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most important figures of the 20th century, Mahatma Gandhi. Born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India, Gandhi was the son of Karamchand Gandhi, who was the Diwan, chief minister, of Porbandar, and his mother Putlabai. Growing up, he was instilled with the values of truth, simplicity, and non-violence by his devout Hindu mother. After completing his primary education in Porbandar, Gandhi went to England in 1888 to study law at University College, London. While there, he became interested in Indian culture and history and started reading books on Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism. In 1891, Gandhi returned to India and started practicing law in Bombay. His experience in the courtroom made him aware of the injustices faced by Indians in the British Raj. He became involved in the Indian National Congress, which was formed to fight for India's independence from British rule. Gandhi's first major campaign was against the racist and discriminatory treatment of Indians in South Africa, where he had gone to represent an Indian merchant in a legal case. In South Africa, he witnessed firsthand the brutality of the apartheid system, which made him determined to fight against injustice and oppression. Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence, which he called satyagraha, was the cornerstone of his struggle for independence. He believed that violence only begets more violence and that it was possible to resist tyranny without using force. His methods of protest included fasting, strikes, and civil disobedience, which inspired millions of people in India and around the world. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India and took charge of the Indian National Congress. He led several successful campaigns against British rule, including the Non-Cooperation Movement of 1920-22, the Salt March of 1930, and the Quit India Movement of 1942. He was arrested and imprisoned several times during his struggle for independence. But Gandhi was not just a political leader, he was also a social reformer. He fought against the caste system, which he saw as a form of discrimination, and worked to promote unity among different religious communities. He also campaigned for the rights of women, promoting their education and independence. In 1947, India gained its independence from British rule, and Gandhi was hailed as the father of the nation. However, the country was also divided into two nations, India and Pakistan, which led to communal violence and the displacement of millions of people. Gandhi was devastated by the violence and worked to promote peace and unity between Hindus and Muslims. On January 30, 1948, Gandhi was assassinated by a person who disagreed with his policies of tolerance and nonviolence. His death was mourned by millions of people around the world, who saw him as a symbol of hope and inspiration. Gandhi's legacy continues to inspire people to this day. His philosophy of non-violence and his commitment to social justice and human rights have influenced leaders and movements around the world. He remains a symbol of hope and a reminder of the power of individual action to create change. So there you have it, the story of Mahatma Gandhi. What do you think of this remarkable figure and his contributions to history? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great stories like this one. Thanks for watching.